Hey guys, I'm preparing my buckets for planting my seeds, and this is how I do it. I did this one already, and I'm going to show you how to do another one. Okay, I'm going to show you how I drill the holes in the buckets. This is just a bucket from Home Depot. Here's my drill, and go down, up. These holes are small, so I'm trying to put quite a bit. So I have all these buckets to do. I have 10 of them. This will be my third one. That's the one I just showed you. Okay guys, we filled up 3 buckets so far. Okay, 3 buckets. Open that. Okay, and this is the soil I'm using. Can you see that? And then I'm using this potting soil. This is from Home Depot. So I put half and half in the containers. Some of the containers, I don't know if you can see this, I put a baby's pull up in there. I don't know if you can see. Let me go this way. I put a baby's pull up in there and a coffee filter. So that's a baby's pull up and a coffee filter to cover the holes. The pull up helps with keeping moisture in the container. And in some of the containers I just use old cups and bottles from sodas, because I don't it's half full with bottles at the bottom. I should have showed you that. I'll show you another one. And now I'm gonna plant the last one, because I didn't put that many bottles in there to take up the bottom, so the carrots will have more room. Shake some on. Space them out a little bit. I don't want to overcrowd it. I don't know if you can see those going in. So those are the carrots. A little more dirt on the top. I'm just going to push it down so the seeds make contact. And it's raining here today, so I'm not even going to bother watering it because I know it's going to rain.